Kaya ko ginagawa tong video na to is because yung palette ni Miss AnneClutz advice is very wait lang. Hello guys! So, ngayon, tulad na nasabi ko, pag-aaralan ng maigi kung paano natin gagamitin yung Vice X AnneClutz collab makeup. Ito po yung naman niya. I will link down below yung aking initial reactions and review nung una kong nakuha at in-unbox itong Vice X AnneClutz collaboration. Kaya ko ginagawa tong video na to is because yung palette ni Miss AnneClutz advice is very versatile. Versatile in the sense na ang dami niyang shades that you can use on its own or you can combine with the other shades to create dynamic makeup looks. In this video, I will show you different types of makeup na mapoproduce using this single palette. So, I already did my face, but yung contour and highlight are using even the blush, Vice and AnneClutz face palette. Maraming makeup trends for 2020. Nandyan yung monochromatic look, nandyan yung glossy lids, nandyan yung Red Smokey Eye, nandyan din yung mismatch and yung gradient lips ng mga Korean K-pop stars. So, let's get on with it. Let's first start with the subtle lip stain look. And I'll try to, as much as possible, copy it. Huwag tayong judgmental. Same as the Korean makeup trend wherein the lip stain is gradient. Yung darker sa loob hanggang sa palite ng palite, same as skin tone. So if we're gonna do that, of course, we need to make our eyes look natural. Okay, mag-start tayo kay Amal's. Ano siya, medyo orangey. Gagamit ako ng natural fiber brush at ilalagay natin yun sa outer corner ng eyes natin. We will apply it higher than our natural crease para mas maging visible yung color niya. Tapos, we will be applying the same shade using a flat synthetic brush sa outer corner ng lower lash line. Okay, next, we will use Jevatot. This is a pinkish shimmery shade. Gagamit lang ako ng finger at i-apply ko siya from the inner corner towards the center of the lids. Parang magiging highlight natin siya. Tapos if-fade away natin siya papunta dun sa initial shade na ginamit natin. Now, using a precise brush, I will be using the same shade and apply that from the inner corner towards, again, the center of the lower lash line. Tapos, gagamitin ko na rin siyang pang-highlight ng inner corner. It's time to line the eyes. So, using plantita and an angled brush, ilaline ko lang yung aking lids. Magke-create tayo ng small flick. And then, we will use the same shade dun sa ating lower lash line to connect the upper lash line and the lower lash line. Okay, now time for some lashes. Okay, yan na. Meron na akong lashes and I used poly lashes para sa ating lashes for today. Next, namimili ako ng phenomenal liquid lipstick na gagamitin and I decided to go with Bikini Man. Since our look calls for gradient lips, just focus the lipstick sa inner parts ng lips. Tapos, hayaan nyo siyang mag-fade away. Kung meron kayong sponge or leftover foundation sa inyong brush, apply nyo rin siya para makatulong sa gradient ng lips natin. Tapos, in-apply ko lang si lip gloss. And voila! Ito na yung ating first makeup look. So guys, ito yung first look natin. Ito yung gradient lip look. So for the lips, ang ginamit natin is si Buchanan, yung Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick, at saka yung lip gloss na napakasarap. So, ayan. This is very easy and this is one of the makeup trends for 2020. Let's go to look number 2. Let's now proceed with makeup look number 2. Red Smokey Eye. So with a flat synthetic brush, i-mix natin si 1 Million tsaka si Coffee is Life para makapag-create na customized color. Tapos, i-apply natin siya ulit dun sa ating entire lids. Sa buong lid, from the inner corner down to the outer corner. I-apply natin yung customized shade na yan. Kaya ako ginamit yung flat synthetic brush kasi I want to pack in all the colors. Grabe, ang hirap hindi admire rin tong mga pigmentation ng eyeshadow ni AnneClutz. Sobrang pigmented. Okay, so using the same brush, I am applying the same color all over the lower lash line. From the inner corner to the outer corner. Tapos, si talong emoji, gagamit tayo ng fluffy brush. I-diffuse lang natin yung corners or yung sides ng ating initial eyeshadow application. Then, since this is a smoky eye look, hanggang doon sa inner corner yung color ni talong emoji. Using a clean buffing brush, ibabuff ko lang yung ating eyeshadow para ma-blend ng maigi yung mga gilid. Tapos, i-apply ko rin yung same color dun sa lower lash line to diffuse the orange or reddish color na in-apply natin kanina. Tapos, changing my brush, flat pa rin, I will apply si Forever House both sa outer at inner corner. So, parang gagawa tayo ng halo look. Tapos, i-apply din natin yung same technique sa lower lash line. I-intensify lang natin yung color. So, pagpapatong-patungin natin. Now, using my ring finger, apply ko lang si Subuken. It's a reddish, shimmery shade sa center ng ating upper lids. And we will apply the same at the lower lashes. Sa center lang din. Focusing the colors at the center to highlight the eyeshadow. Now, using a clean buffing brush, nililinis ko lang kung meron man siyang mga fallout. I'm picking up my face palette and I'm dipping that dun sa ating highlighter to highlight the brow bones and also the inner corners of the eye. And because I feel like highlighting it even more, using B-Squad and my fingers, I will tap it on the Subuken shade. And then of course, some lashes. At dahil masyadong strong yung ating eyeshadow for today, going back to the face palette, i-intensify lang natin yung ating contour. I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush. At the same time, mag-a-apply din tayo ng blush on and aayusin na rin natin yung ating highlights. And then of course, using budol. Yes guys, budol is real. Lalagay lang natin yan sa ating lips. And then after that, gusto ko siyang patungan ng lipstick, which is AnneClutz, para mas intensify yung pagka brick color ng ating lips. Supposed to be with this eyeshadow, maganda kung nude lang. But then again, pag tinignan mo, yung budol at saka AnneClutz na lipstick, bumagay naman. So, napakaganda nung combination nito for me. At feel na feel ko tong makeup na to. So, mag-project lang tayo. So, ayan. I hope you guys like it. This is makeup number 2. And this is the Red Smokey Eye look. And since wala naman talaga super red, sa palette ni Miss AnneClutz, as you can see sa swatches, more on orange and browns siya. I tried to mix the talong emoji with the reddish orange shades, and mukha naman siyang parang naging red na konti. So, yeah. Ito yung second trendy look for 2020. Now, for our third look, kailangan kong tanggalin yung Intensified Contour, Blush, and Highlight natin. Kaya binubura ko lang siya. So, pagbigyan nyo na yung aking tunay na balat. Hindi siya flawless, ha? And then, let me just reapply my foundation. I'm using here Loreal True Match Foundation in G 4.5. Ayan, ina-apply lang natin siya ulit. Then I'm going to be setting my face with this Pond's BB powder ba ang tawag dito. Ang ganda niya guys, sobrang mura, tas ang ganda niya sa balat. Ayan, ready na yung ating third look. So here, I'm using AnneClutz Vlogs Lipstick. I'm warming the product at the back of my hand para mas madali siyang ma-apply. I use this for my eyeshadow, but for the areas that I want intensified, dinagdagan ko lang yung product. And there's another trick that I use. If you can see here, I will be using the tip of my finger para may apply ko ng manipis yung lipstick dun sa under eye. Okay, now using the same product pa rin, I will now put on a blush. Diba? Ang ganda pa rin niya kahit nasa blush siya. Para siyang drunk blush makeup look. Pero technically, we're doing a monochromatic makeup here. And of course, pahuhuli ba, yun na rin ang gagamitin natin for the lips. Para fresh lang, lalagyan lang natin yung inner part, tapos isa-smudge out natin yung outer parts. And of course, mascara at eyelash curler. Hindi pwede makompleto ang look nang wala yan. Ayan, so guys, this is the third look using the AnneClutz collection, but only this time we did a monochromatic makeup, and this is to show you how versatile the AnneClutz collaboration is, because for this specific look I only used AnneClutz Vlogs, yung soft matte lipstick. So, kung kunyari, estudyante ka, tapos wala kang budget, at kaya mo lang bilhin is the lipstick, don't worry, kasi as long as meron kang pangmuka, pangkilay, at saka Fresh lang.